10 health benefits of grapefruits. Oranges and lemons are most common citrus fruits, but did you know grapefruits can be good for your health too? Grapefruits are good for your body in many different ways. In fact, grapefruit is called the fruit of paradise. It's great for your health and can prevent sickness from ever happening. Grapefruits are high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. They also contain vitamin A, potassium, folate, vitamin thiamine, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, copper, and phosphorus, and some phytonutrients. Here are the top 10 health benefits of grapefruit. 1. Aids weight loss. Grapefruits are great for those trying to lose weight. They are high in vitamin C, fiber, and water. Vitamin C can help regulate your metabolism and control fat breakdown. It can even reduce hunger pangs. Grapefruit can also be used to lower the amount of sugar and starch in the body. 2. Stabilizes blood sugar. The American The Diabetes Association recommends that people with diabetes eat grapefruit. This is because grapefruit has a low glycemic value and doesn't cause blood sugar levels to rise immediately after eating. Genin, which is made up of flavonoids found in grapefruit, can increase the body's insulin sensitivity and help to maintain a healthy weight. 3. Protects against cancer. Grapefruit may lower your risk of developing cancer in the stomach, colon, bladder, and breast. A 2006 study found that grapefruits can fix damaged DNA in prostate cancer cells. This helps to prevent the body from becoming handsome. 4. Reduces risk of kidney stones. Grapefruit juice can be a good option to reduce the risk of developing calcium oxalate renal stones. Because grapefruits contain so much citric acids, they can prevent stones from forming. 5. Protects heart health. Grapefruits are good for your heart health. They are high in vitamin C and potassium. This means they act as a vasodilator, which means it relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. 6. Lowers bad cholesterol. Grapefruits contain a few flavonoids. The main flavonoid in grapefruits, hesperidin, raises HDL cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. A 2006 study showed that 1 grapefruit per day could lower LDL cholesterol by 15% and triglycerides 27%. 7. Boosts immunity. Grapefruits can help increase immunity and reduce the risk of getting common colds. Vitamin C in grapefruit is a powerful antioxidant that cleans out harmful free radicals. This helps to keep the body strong against common colds and other infectious disease. 8. Improves skin health. Vitamin C from grapefruit is also skin vitamin. It is necessary to make healthy collagen. Grapefruit antioxidants help fight cell damage caused by free radicals. 9. Fights gum disease. Grapefruits are high in vitamin C and can be very beneficial for gum disease prevention. A 2005 study found that grapefruit consumption every day reduced gum bleeding, even for people with gum disease. 10. Cleanse the liver. Grapefruits can be used to clean out the liver of poisonous substances. It has glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that eliminates free radicals. The phytonutrients found in grapefruit called lime-manooids help remove toxins from the liver by melting them from water. Neurogenin, a flavonoid compound, helps the liver burn fat. To get the best taste, keep grapefruits at room temperature before you juicing them. If you feel that the grapefruit juice is too bitter or too. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.